Meaning of hospitably.
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 Hospitably. The term hospitably refers to the quality of being welcoming, friendly, and generous towards guests. When someone is hospitable, they create an environment that is warm and inviting. They are accommodating and make their guests feel comfortable and at ease. This can manifest in many ways, such as offering food and drinks, providing comfortable seating, or showing interest in their guests' interests and needs. Overall, the concept of hospitably embodies the idea of treating others with kindness and respect, and creating a positive experience for those in one's company.